Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete Bitcoin.com account. To delete your Bitcoin.com account, first of all, open the Bitcoin.com app from your mobile device. Sign into your account like you normally do, and once you're in the home page, tap the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the settings menu, tap on your email address at the top under signed in as. On the next page, tap on Delete Account at the bottom. This will scan your Face ID or biometrics, and you will then need to tap on Continue in the pop-up to continue with the deletion process. Right after you do that, you will be redirected in the home page for Bitcoin.com app. Before you delete your account, always make sure to withdraw any remaining cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies from your account. This ensures that you don't lose access to your funds. So that is how you easily delete your Bitcoin.com account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.